In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select multiple clips in Shotcut. So if you have quite a number of clips and you like maybe to move them or even to delete them just at once, then let me show you how you can select all of them and then perform the task that you want. So for instance, I have here these scattered tracks, as you can see them, but I'd like to move this track and this track to occupy this position to be second, so that it replaces this track. Now, instead of going ahead and moving one by one like this, I just want a solution that will help me move all of them all at once. So for that, I'll need to select all of them, and to do so, just on Windows computer, just tap on Control key and then click on all the tracks that you want to move. And as you can see, they are all selected. So if you're using a MacBook, then use the Command key. So with your Control key down, go ahead and drag them. And as you can see, they'll snap at that. And if I leave them, now you can see they have exchanged positions. And now the clip that was second has been moved to the last position. If you want to delete them, you can also select all of them with Control key pressed, and then you'll be able to select all of them. And if you want to delete, just go ahead and tap on delete, and then they'll be deleted like that. So that's how you can select multiple video clips in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.